Children, let's practice reading short words. Read with me. Jet, jet. Met, met. Vet, vet. Pet, pet. Wet, wet. Net, net. Peg, peg. Keg, keg. Leg, leg. Beg, beg. Hen, hen. Men, men. Pen, pen. Den, den. Ten, ten. Bed, bed. Red, red. Fed, fed. Well, well. Bell, bell. Sell, sell. Fell, fell. Gel, gel. Tell, tell. Good job, kids. Follow us for more.